This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get verified on Coinbase. First, you will need to create your Coinbase account using a valid email address. After signing up, check your inbox and click the verification link to confirm your email. Next, provide your personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. This step is crucial for meeting regulatory requirements and ensuring a smooth verification process. Now, let's move on to identity verification. You will need to select a government-issued photo identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure your chosen ID is valid, unexpired, and clearly legible. Take a clear photo of both the front and back of your identification. Poor quality images can delay the verification process, so double-check for good lighting and focus. The next step involves a live facial verification scan. You'll be prompted to use your device's camera to complete this. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, ensuring your face is well lit and centered. This helps confirm your identity matches your uploaded documents. After completing the scan, Coinbase will review all your submitted information. This process usually takes a few minutes, but can sometimes take longer. Once Coinbase has successfully reviewed your documents and facial scan, you will receive a confirmation that your account is fully verified. Congratulations! You can now enjoy increased transaction limits and full access to all the features Coinbase offers, including buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals we've curated just for you. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.